The journey of the Rajab family is a testament to the transformative power of family unity. At the heart of their story lies a profound vision that places family values at its core. This vision is not merely about producing entertaining content, it is about embodying the ideals of togetherness, love, and authenticity in a world where such qualities are often overshadowed by fleeting trends and superficiality. The Rajab family began their journey with a simple idea: sharing their everyday lives with the world. What sets them apart from countless other creators is their genuine connection as a family. Their content does not rely on extravagant productions or scripted performances. Instead, it showcases the natural dynamics of a family that truly enjoys being together. This authenticity resonates deeply with their audience, who see in the Rajab family a reflection of their own familial bonds. It is this relatability that forms the foundation of their success. Family unity, as exemplified by the Rajab family, is not without its challenges. Every family faces disagreements, misunderstandings, and moments of tension. However, what makes their story so inspiring is how they navigate these challenges with grace and humor. Through their content, they show that it is possible to turn even the most mundane or difficult moments into opportunities for connection and growth. Their ability to laugh together, support each other, and celebrate each member's individuality creates a powerful narrative that draws viewers in. The family's decision to work together on their content is a clear demonstration of their commitment to each other. In a world where individual pursuits often take precedence over collective goals, the Rajab family chose a path that required cooperation and compromise. Each member contributes to their success in their unique way, whether through their creativity, sense of humor, or behind-the-scenes efforts. This collaborative approach not only strengthens their bond but also serves as a reminder to their audience of the importance of teamwork within a family. The Rajab family's vision also extends beyond their immediate circle. They recognize the influence they hold as content creators and use their platform to promote positive values. By sharing stories of kindness, resilience, and empathy, they inspire their viewers to prioritize these qualities in their own lives. Their content often includes moments that highlight the importance of understanding, forgiveness, and unconditional support, values that are essential for any strong family unit. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Rajab family's journey is how they have turned everyday experiences into meaningful content. Whether it is a light-hearted prank, a cooking session, or a family outing, they find ways to make these moments engaging and entertaining. This ability to find joy in the ordinary reflects a deep appreciation for the simple pleasures of life. It also encourages their audience to do the same, fostering a sense of gratitude and contentment. Another significant element of their story is their commitment to inclusivity. The Rajab family's content appeals to people of all ages, backgrounds, and cultures. They consciously avoid divisive topics and focus instead on themes that unite their audience. This approach not only broadens their reach but also reinforces their message of togetherness. By creating a space where everyone feels welcome, they demonstrate the universal appeal of family unity. The impact of the Rajab family's vision is evident in the strong connection they have built with their audience. Viewers often describe feeling like part of their extended family, a sentiment that is fostered by the family's genuine engagement with their fans. Whether through heartfelt messages, behind-the-scenes glimpses, or interactive content, they make their audience feel seen and valued. This sense of belonging is a powerful testament to the authenticity of their vision. As the Rajab family continues their journey, their unwavering commitment to family unity remains the cornerstone of their success. Their story is a reminder that true greatness is not measured by material achievements but by the relationships we nurture and the values we uphold. In a world that often prioritizes individualism and competition, the Rajab family offers a refreshing perspective on what it means to live a meaningful and fulfilling life. Their vision, rooted in family unity, is not just a source of inspiration for their audience but also a call to action. It challenges us to reflect on our own relationships and consider how we can strengthen the bonds that matter most. Whether through small acts of kindness, open communication, or simply spending quality time together, the Rajab family shows us that it is never too late to prioritize family in our lives. In conclusion, The Rajab Butt family's journey is a beautiful example of how family unity can lead to incredible achievements. Their vision, built on love, authenticity, and a shared purpose, has not only brought them success but has also touched the hearts of millions around the world. Their story reminds us that the greatest gift we can give to each other and to ourselves is the unwavering support and love of a united family. The Rajab Butt family's journey is a remarkable tale of how creativity and meaningful connections with their fans have propelled them to fame. Their ability to innovate, engage, and build genuine relationships with their audience is a significant factor in their success. This approach sets them apart in a crowded digital landscape, where countless creators vie for attention but only a few truly resonate with their viewers on a deeper level. Creativity is at the heart of the Rajab Butt family's content. They consistently find new and exciting ways to engage their audience, ensuring that their videos remain fresh and entertaining. Whether it's through hilarious pranks, heartfelt moments, or family challenges, their ability to think outside the box keeps their viewers coming back for more. This creativity doesn't come from following trends blindly. Instead, it stems from their unique perspective as a close-knit family. They draw inspiration from their everyday lives, turning ordinary moments into extraordinary experiences that their audience can relate to and enjoy. Their creativity extends beyond the content itself. The Rajab Butt family understands the importance of presentation, pacing, and storytelling. Each video is carefully crafted to capture the viewer's attention and hold it until the very end. From the way they edit their videos to the background music they choose, every element is designed to enhance the viewing experience. This attention to detail demonstrates their dedication to their craft and their respect for their audience's time and attention. One of the most striking aspects of their creativity is how they involve every family member in their content. Each person brings their unique personality and talents to the table, creating a dynamic and engaging atmosphere. This collaborative approach not only strengthens their bond as a family but also allows them to appeal to a wider audience. Whether it's the humor of one member, the charm of another, or the candid moments that showcase their unity, their videos have something for everyone. This versatility is a key factor in their widespread appeal. In addition to their creativity, the Rajab Butt family places a strong emphasis on connecting with their fans. They view their audience not just as viewers but as an extended part of their family. This connection is evident in the way they engage with their fans through comments, messages, and live interactions. They take the time to acknowledge and respond to their supporters, making each person feel seen and valued. This level of engagement fosters a sense of community and loyalty among their audience. Their connection with fans goes beyond simple interactions. The Rajab Butt family actively seeks to understand their audience's preferences and interests, tailoring their content accordingly. They pay attention to feedback, whether positive or constructive, and use it to improve and evolve. This willingness to listen and adapt demonstrates their commitment to providing value to their viewers. It also shows that they don't take their success for granted. Instead, they see it as a partnership with their audience. Another way the Rajab Butt family builds connections with their fans is by sharing their authentic selves. In a world where curated perfection often dominates social media, they stand out by being real and relatable. They don't shy away from showing their flaws, vulnerabilities, or the challenges they face. This honesty creates a sense of trust and authenticity that resonates deeply with their viewers. Fans appreciate their transparency and feel a genuine connection to their story. The Rajab Butt family also uses their platform to spread positivity and inspire their audience. Through their content, they promote values such as kindness, resilience, and the importance of family. They often share uplifting messages and stories that encourage their fans to embrace these values in their own lives. By doing so, they create a ripple effect of positivity that extends far beyond their immediate reach. Their ability to connect with fans is further enhanced by their inclusivity. The Rajab Butt family's content appeals to people of all ages, backgrounds, and cultures. They make a conscious effort to create content that is family-friendly and universally relatable. This inclusivity not only broadens their audience but also reinforces their message of togetherness. They show that, regardless of our differences, we can all find common ground in the values of love, respect, and unity. The impact of their creativity and connection with fans is evident in the loyalty and support they receive. Their audience isn't just passive viewers, they are active participants in the family's journey. Fans eagerly share their content, engage in discussions, and celebrate their milestones as if they were their own. This sense of belonging is a testament to the strong bond the Rajab Butt family has cultivated with their community. In conclusion, the Rajab Butt family's success is a powerful example of how creativity and meaningful connections can lead to incredible achievements. Their ability to innovate and engage, combined with their genuine care for their audience, has set them apart in the world of content creation. Through their journey, they have not only entertained millions but also inspired them to value creativity, authenticity, and connection in their own lives. Their story reminds us that, in a digital world often focused on numbers and metrics, it is the human connections we build that truly matter.